Seniors, one forgotten stretch that restores balance in just 7 days are wobbly steps or the fear of falling holding you back. I know how much you value staying active and independent. For many seniors, a shaky step can feel like a threat to that freedom. Take Eleanor, 72, who stopped walking her dog because she felt unsteady. She was scared of losing her independence, and I bet you felt that worry too. But here is the good news. There is one forgotten stretch that can restore your balance in just 7 days. No equipment, no gym, just a simple move you can do at home. Eleanor tried it and was back to her daily walks with confidence. Want to know this game-changing stretch? Stick with me because you're about to discover a science-backed way to feel steady and strong again. Let's get moving. The problem. After 50, balance starts to slip. Your core and leg muscles weaken, and coordination isn't what it used to be. This makes everyday tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries feel risky. The fear of falling is real, and it can keep you from enjoying life.
I met Frank, 68, who stopped hiking with friends because he felt unsteady.
I met Frank, 68, who stopped hiking with friends because he felt unsteady. He worried one misstep could cost him his independence. Studies show that 1 in 3 seniors falls each year, often due to poor balance. That's because aging reduces muscle strength and the brain's ability to coordinate movement. Without action, this can worsen, limiting your freedom. But it doesn't have to be that way. You can rebuild balance with one simple stretch and a few smart habits. Curious about the stretch that changed Frank's life? Keep watching, it's easier than you think. The forgotten stretch, tree pose. Let's talk about the star of the show, the tree pose. This simple yoga stretch strengthens your core, hips and ankles, helping you stand tall and steady.
You place one foot on your inner calf, hands on hips or raised, and hold for 10 to 20 seconds.
You place one foot on your inner calf, hands on hips or raised, and hold for 10-20 seconds. It's like standing like a tree, rooted and strong. Joan, 70, tried tree pose after feeling wobbly for years. In just 7 days, she walked with more confidence and even danced at her granddaughter's wedding. A study in the Journal of Gerontology found that balance exercises like tree pose cut fall risk by 24%. It works because it trains your muscles and brain to work together, improving stability fast. You don't need to be flexible or fit, just willing to try. If balance is a concern, hold a chair for support. Want to know why this stretch is so powerful? Let's dive deeper. Why tree pose works. Tree pose is a balance powerhouse because it engages your whole body. When you stand on one leg, your core tightens, your hips stabilize, and your ankles strengthen. This builds the muscles that keep you steady. Plus, it rewires your brain's balance centers, improving coordination. A study in physical therapy showed that daily balance exercises improve stability in just 1 week. Michael, 66, was skeptical but tried tree pose with a chair for support. After 7 days, he felt steadier climbing stairs. The science is simple. By challenging your balance, tree pose strengthens the muscles and nerves that prevent falls. If you're worried about falling, start with a wall or chair nearby. Stand tall, place one foot on your calf and hold for 10 seconds per side. Switch sides and repeat twice. It's safe, quick, and builds confidence. Ready for more ways to boost balance? Let's keep going. Complementary balance boosters. Tree pose is amazing, but let's add 2 more habits to supercharge your balance. First, try heel-to-toe walking like walking a tightrope. Take 10 steps forward, placing your heel directly in front of your toes. It strengthens your legs and sharpens coordination. Second, do ankle circles. Sit and rotate each ankle 10 times clockwise and counterclockwise. This loosens joints and prevents stumbles. Betty, 73, combined these with tree pose and felt rock solid in a week. A study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that these exercises improve balance by 20%. They're easy to do at home. Walk heel to toe in your hallway, do ankle circles while watching TV, no fancy equipment, just a few minutes a day. These habits, paired with tree pose, will have you moving with confidence. Want to know what else helps? Let's talk about food next. Nutrition for stability. Strong muscles are key to balance, and that starts with protein. Foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or lentils rebuild muscle fibers weakened by age. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who eat enough protein have 30% better muscle strength. Sam, 69, added a protein-rich breakfast to eggs. with toast and felt steadier in days. Aim for one protein-packed meal daily, like Greek yogurt with fruit or a lentil soup for lunch. These are affordable, easy to prepare and delicious. Protein supports the muscles tree pose strengthens, keeping you stable and active. Try a simple egg scramble or keep yogurt in your fridge for quick meals, ready to put it all together. Let's make it happen. How to apply it. Here's your 7-day balance plan. Day 1. Start with tree pose. Stand near a chair, place one foot on your calf, hold for 10 seconds and switch sides. Do this twice, morning and evening. Day 2. Add heel to toe walking 10 steps after breakfast. Day 3. Include ankle circles, 10 per side while seated. By day 4. Eat one protein-rich meal like eggs or yogurt. Repeat daily, tracking how you feel. Jot down if stairs feel easier or you're less wobbly. Helen, 75, followed this plan and felt confident walking her dog again. Keep it simple. 5 minutes of stretching, a short walk and one protein meal. You can do this in your living room or kitchen. Small steps lead to big results and you'll feel steadier in just a week. You've got this. Conclusion and hopeful wrap-up. You've learned the forgotten tree pose and 2 bonus habits: heel to toe walking and ankle circles, plus the power of protein to restore balance in 7 days. These simple steps can keep you steady and independent. Helen, 75, started this plan and was back to walking her dog with confidence in a week. You can do this too. Try tree pose tonight, add a protein meal and see how you feel. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your progress. You're not just aging. You're thriving with every step. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips to stay strong and active. Here's to steady steps and a confident you. See you next time.